Alright guys, welcome back. So today we have ourselves an HP EliteBook. I think this is the 840 G2, sorry G5. So today I thought I would take you through installing Windows. And while we're installing Windows, after a long time of storage, this machine's password was forgotten. So it's actually an envy. I guess maybe and EliteBook look similar with this silver tone. Anyway, so this part of the video, I think I'm going to just break down how much we would normally charge for such an operation. So let me take you guys through that as I take the client through that too. So now, I'm going to list for you that you know how much I'm going to damage your pocket. So now Windows, I normally do two options, 10 and 11, because these ones have at least the latest things you would want in a PC. Now Windows 10 I normally charge 25, and then 11 30. Now after installing Windows, because Windows is designed to run on different manufacturers' hardware, you find that you need drivers that help it communicate perfectly with that particular manufacturer's hardware. For instance, you will have the display drivers. Display drivers, those are to enable you to be able to game, watch 4K content without any loss in quality, and so on and so forth. Then you have sound drivers. Windows usually comes with the basic sound drivers, which is not the best, so you find that sound quality of your audio IC won't be at best. For instance, if you have an audio IC tuned by Beats Audio, so that driver will allow you help enable those tunings. If it is Dolby, it'll allow you, and so on and so forth. Then you have chipset drivers. Now chipset drivers, these are like smaller ICs that sit between the CPU and other low communication components like the USB, the keyboard controller, and all that. On top of that, you need the network drivers. Now Windows already has the default Wi-Fi, but to enable Bluetooth, this will be necessary. And then, like I said, you have the super input output drivers. You have the keyboard controller drivers. Those enable the extra functions on the keyboard like FN, dimming using the shortcut keys, and so on and so forth. You have the touchpad drivers. These allow the touchpad function with its advanced functions like multiple finger processing, double finger tapping to give menu option, so on and so forth. Then you have USB. That's 3.0 mostly, because 2.0 is enabled by default. Basically, there are about 25 drivers. Normally, if I'm installing each individually, it's 5K. But if we are doing the whole bundle, I'll charge you 25 for everything because I'm doing it in one go. Now, after that, you need some startup software. This involves the Office suite, that's Excel, PowerPoint, blah blah blah. Definitely a browser, PDF reader, media player. Yeah, this, because you're doing it as a bundle, I'll charge you 20. But usually, like the Office suite would be like 10K. Sorry, 20K. Now the last one. So the last one is the antivirus. This one, because I'm mostly going to use security, it will just help you update the definitions for 5K. because it's part of the package. And then now any miscellaneous production softwares. Now these production softwares, each is 30k, but most people don't go that far.
Yeah. I don't think I'm interested in production software.
No, that's why I just
Mm.
So now let us assume you've chosen 10 drivers, that and that. Your total would come to about 80k.
Mm.
Is it manageable?
Yeah, that's okay.
So you're going to give it some 2 hours.
2 hours.
Oh, this part is quick. This part,
Mm.
2 hours to be safe.
Okay, it could be shorter.
It could